Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change status on Discord. So first of all, you will need to open your profile settings page. That can be easily done through tapping at your avatar to the top, or bottom right of the display over here. Then pretty much the first section you'll stumble upon saying set status. That's exactly what we are looking for. So tap over here. In here you can just go as far as simply setting your present status from online to idle to D&D to invisible, or on top of that you can also set the custom status over here. Write whatever is that you want to be displayed, and choose whether the status should be automatically cleared within some period of time, or do not clear it at all until your manual further notice. Then save the changes, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.